Today we have iPhone 14 Pro Max and 256 GB deep purple. We will be unboxing it at Budget Computers and Kiwi Mobiles Rotorua. We've already opened the box already. It's a nice color. So the camera lenses are quite bigger than iPhone 13 Pro Max, so we got a lens protector that we will apply on it. So it will protect it from scratches, or if you drop it, the borders usually get scratches on it, so it will protect it from it. It will just clean it a little bit and then apply the lens protector. The good thing about this protector is it protects the whole thing, whole cameras and edges, so it gives a good protection, protects us from scratches, and if you drop it, it's a big layer on top. Good. Now let's check the whole phone. There was the whole unboxing of iPhone 14 Pro Max Deep Purple. Thank you.